Hey everyone, Tom with TK Designs here. Several of my viewers noted in my last video that it was unclear how you should use my new vector gadget. So I decided to make a quick follow-up video showing how you can use the tool to determine the proper distance between vectors. This video will show you how to properly use the tool. So we want to start by launching our gadget and creating our tool that we're going to use for our vcarve inlay. And we know that 1304 is going to be our minimum distance between vectors for carving. Now the way we want to use this is we can create a circle, give it our diameter, and just create it wherever we like. And then close that. Now what we want to do is we want to drag this down into areas where we may not have enough distance between vectors. So for example, here we look and we see that we've got enough spacing there. We have enough spacing in the eyebrow. And once it gets to these corners, it's okay because we don't mind if we have the bit slide up a little bit to make a tight fit. Now, some areas where we may have issues would be down in this area. You see here in the corner of the mouth, that's not quite wide enough. So what we're going to want to do is use the node editing tool. We'll use the node editing tool. And we will bring these out a little bit further. And now we can see if our bit will travel most of the path. And it looks like there's still a few areas there, so we'll go to the node editing again and bring those out a little bit more. And now we have a vector that's suitable for a full depth carve. Hopefully this better explains how to use the gadget. I'm linking the original video in the description so that if you haven't seen it, you can reference it and come back to this video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hype the video. It really helps my channel out when you do so. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time.